monthly resistance. Let's go to daily. So that's where the price is right now. Resistance. Why is this? Wait. What? This is a weekly zone over here also. Is it a weekly support or resistance? Let's see how this 4-hour close. We got daily. This daily closed back above. Let me see what happened over here. Okay. So once we close below the monthly, it keeps going down. Okay. Let me see weekly zone here. Okay. Go back over here. So I'm gonna just delete this one here. Go back to weekly, daily. There's multiple zones here on daily. Yeah. Anyways. So I'm going to be waiting for 4-hour close, right? Price is keeping closing above, right? Should respect just like it did on here. It did break down, but it came closed above here. Price is bullish yet, but if we close back down here, we're going down. Let's go and see GG. What's going on GG here? Let's go and see GG. What's going on GG here? Okay, so we have a monthly over here. Clear resistance. Price is still bearish, but it's just ranging. Let me do this again. Really having hard time to keep going down. I don't know why. GG is ranging. It's not doing anything. Yeah, it's not doing anything. Okay, let's see where this daily closed. Daily closed back down here, which I'm gonna do at that daily support. Right, got daily closed back down here. Well, okay, GG is not showing a good um, direction. So this is what I'm gonna see. We have a monthly resistance right in here, right? This monthly it's kind of rejecting there, but if we had a close back below here, we're going to see continuation to the next zones, which is this one here, but it's just ranging, right? It's nothing happening on GJ. Price is bearish, but it's just right there. Yeah, it's not doing anything. It's just going sideways, and that's not good. We may see something on gold. I'm gonna wait for this 4-hour close and see if we close back down here. Coming down here, I'll probably keep going down, but they said daily close back above here, right? Let's see what happened over here. Tamim, good morning. How are you doing, brother? So yeah, we may get a bias on gold unless we close back below here. I don't see any confirmation for sales yet. I don't see any confirmations for that. But let's see if this 4-hour close back down here. We're heading down. So I'm gonna wait for this 4-hour and see how it closes.
Ben ik nothing. Ben op zoek naar mijn rust en die vind ik bij jou. Zelfs in moeilijke tijden laat je mij niet in de kou. Miami, Miami, of een ander stad zeg maar welke bestemming. Pak je spullen, ben we vertrekken. Niemand kan ons wat zeggen. Ik moet even ontstressen. En dat kan alleen maar met jou. Hey, choo-choo na choo-choo. Baby, choo-choo na choo-choo. Ik moet even ontstressen. En dat kan alleen maar met jou.
Someone said something? I was talking. So 4 hour looks like it wants to close back down here. Let's see what happened here when the 4 hour closed over down, right? This one here, which is a monthly zone. It came back, retested, and then keep going down. So let's see, just gonna wait. Rejecting.
Yeah.
What's this noise? Let me see.
Imagine if someone tried to steal it.
Price is still bullish, right? But let's see. Let me see what we got in here. I want this 4 hour to close down here. See.
That epic email should have been a snagit. That unnecessary meeting should have been a snagit. That
قولي لكله أنا كان دور بغيت نشوفك يا مون أمور قولي لكله أنا كان دور بغيت نشوفك يا مون أمور حبيبة je suis à tes côtés ne t'inquiète pas hey. Ferme les yeux quand t'es dans mes bras cette mélodie c'est mon cœur qui bat hey. Aïe 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 ma habiba je suis à tes côtés ne t'inquiète pas ferme les yeux quand t'es dans mes bras بغيت نشوفك يا mon amour Habiba, je suis à tes côtés, ne t'inquiète pas hey. Ferme les yeux quand t'es dans mes bras cette mélodie c'est mon cœur qui bat hey. Aïe 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 ma habiba je suis à tes côtés, ne t'inquiète pas ferme les yeux quand t'es dans mes bras cette mélodie c'est mon cœur qui bat hey. Oh ma habiba راني عطيتك mon love aujourd'hui c'est mon m'en veux pas Tu me caches plein de choses, dis-moi ce que tu ressens quand tu mens. Ferme les yeux quand t'es dans mes bras cette mélodie c'est mon cœur qui bat Aïe 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 ma habiba je suis à tes côtés ne t'inquiète pas ferme les yeux quand t'es dans mes bras cette mélodie c'est mon cœur qui bat Habiba je suis à tes côtés ne t'inquiète pas
Good morning, Hassan. Good morning, Hassan. Rahil, what are you looking? I'm waiting for this 4 hour close and see if this 4 hour close back down here. We're heading down, but it's rejecting as you can see. Rahil, what are you looking? I'm waiting for this 4 hour close and see if this. Oh, you guys don't hear me? I think my microphone is working.
Barely, man. You're like cut up.
You guys hear me, right?
No, we can't hear you.
Oh, really? Let me see. What about now? Do you guys hear me now? Hello? Hello? Do you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you.
Okay. Alright. I said I'm looking for this 4 hour close and see if this 4 hour close back down here, we're heading down. I'm going to be looking for sales. Price is still bullish, right? But I would like to see 4 hour close back down here, but it's rejecting it. We have previous daily close back above here. But if this 4 hour close down, we're gonna see this daily making like it's gonna head down to make that bottom wick even down. Hey Mohammed, I'm good. How are you? Alhamdulillah. Fine. Good, good.
Yeah, GJ's still ranging too, isn't it? Is this the only
Yeah,
one you're looking at?
GJ, it's not doing anything right. It's just going sideways. I'm not trading this. I want it to be breaking down here, but it's just ranging. That's all it's doing. It may want to show some buys, but I don't see any buys yet. Price is still bearish, so we just have to wait.
Hey, what are those lines you use? Are they EMAs or what is it, like the 50 or the 20?
I used the 50 and the 8.
15 and the 8?
Yeah. Right there. Let me show you. This is what I use. Simple moving average is the 50 and smooth moving average is the 8. If you take a screenshot of them, and when you find them, I will give you the settings.
Simple is a what?
Simple moving average. Buy stocks on bucks and you find in the trade view.
But you said that's a eight period?
No, that's the 50.
15?
Yeah.
Okay, cool, man. Thanks.
No problem. So GJ is a mess. Yeah. For our close on gold, let me see. Okay, for our close above, right? I did close below the 8 on the 2 hour. So I'm gonna give it a buy from here if it comes back down here, but this 1 hour close back below the 50 here, that would be my exit. Only gonna wait for it to come down. What is respecting there now? Let it push down again to the 50 here. Gold close above, but have no top wick. Which one? For hour? For hour just opened, and the previous 4 hour has top wick. I'm using Owanda, so maybe you've seen it different. I don't know. It's closing below the 2-8 moving average, which is not good, but we're still bullish above the zone, so not prices respecting the zone there, so I'm gonna be sticking to buys, right? Because this daily just came back down to retest that zone after closing above, right? Some people looking at the trend line. Let me see. Some people looking at this, like this one here, right? But I'm gonna stick to high time frame zones. Let me see 3 hour Yeah, also we have that 3 hour 8 moving average, so it's there's not like it's not strong confirmation for sets yet. I think using this is forex. No, it's different. Guess it 4 hour is pushing first up. It's coming to retest this 8 moving average and then come down here. Yes, this trade makes sense if we set this if we see its structure, the price rejected from 61% level of fib and closed back above the zone. In which time frame did you use the fib? I didn't even use. Let me see. Is it 1 hour? Yeah, this is the golden zone we have, right? This one here. Because we have to look at the higher time frame. We keep closing above the zones, which is a monthly and weekly. We have monthly all the way to the left here, which is a monthly resistance. Also, we have weekly down here, which is this one here. If we go to daily, daily did close above this one here, which is a weekly zone, right? But it came back to retest that monthly. All right, let me see the 4 hour. See the 4 hours for as soon as it closed back down here, rejected and pushed down. But now this is the highest zone here we have. So like this is gonna be my exit if this 1 hour close below the 50 here, right? Because we're not gonna be right all times. So this is the plan for the exit. If this 1 hour close back below the zone and below the 50, that's gonna be my exit of the trade. I'm gonna close it. It's also 3 hour candle, has 48 minutes to close, and if you close back down here, we're out. As soon as we close back above, respect it.
So are you in the trade right now?
Oh no, not yet. I'm waiting for it to come back down to this 50 moving average.
Oh yeah, okay.
It should come back there, but it should not close down. It should come back and reject like the previous one. But we're gonna enter down for this week down here. Right? Because we're not gonna It's also out. As soon as we close back above, respect it.
So are you in the trade right now?
Good morning, Linda. US 30, let's go back and see. So US 30, the weekly zone is down here, and see daily. So daily see a resistance over here. We may see downtrend on US 30, but if we break down here, which is a daily, right. So let's see daily again, because there is no other zones, just daily resistance. That's only zone I have here, and they have one here, which is also daily. Yeah, price is still bullish, right? If we close back below this zone here, which is a daily zone, we're coming down. So price is coming here, like something like this. It's gonna come back to this, and then from here you're gonna be looking for buys. But if it does close back below here, we're gonna continue going down, right? It's gonna be ranging between the 50 and the 8 on the 3-hour time frame. That's what it does when so it's coming down. Let me see. Don't miss your trade. Almost it's rejecting. Rejected, that's why. Yeah, look at the daily, right? And wait, because it may break it, it's making lower lows now. It's coming, like, I see that's 1 hour change for sales, 2 hour. It's about to change. If we close back down here, which is around this number here, 361.55, and then we heading down, but price is still bullish, right? We had the previous daily closed above, and now it's coming to retest, kind of retest here and push up, but it has no top wick on the daily. But I will be looking for buys on US 30 only if it comes back to this zone again, and see if we have that moving average, which is, yeah, if this 4-hour 50 comes back closer, it's gonna be touching it and push up again, right? So that's the zone I will be looking for any buy or sell. If we come back here, we're gonna buy, or if we close back, we're gonna continue going down. I don't trade US 30. I used to trade it, but not anymore. So I'm focusing only on GJ and on gold. It's pushing already here. No problem. 30 minutes. Yeah, it's very slow. Let's see if we got any move on pre-London. See GJ here. GJ's not doing anything.
तो 25 में उसका लेवल होता है ना, डेली वीकली जोन एक है अभी। हाँ वो ही करते हो।
Profitable FX, are you asking something?
हाँ ओके।
All right, let's see. Keep moving. So 1 hour has 23 minutes to close. If it does close above below this 50 moving average here, that's the exit for me. Maybe give it 5, 10 pips, 6, 7 pips or something. Let's see.
Hello Najim, how are you? Shaji here.
Hello, how are you?
Nice to hear you finally. Long time. How's everything?
Good, good. How are you been?
Very good, very good. Just in the last time, by the way, belated happy birthday to you.
Thank you, brother. Thank you.
Okay, yeah, that day I was listening, but I think I had a problem with my audio, so today it is okay.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I hear you now. I hear you today.
Yeah,
That's
now it's
good.
perfect. Okay, so you're watching gold. Are you already in a position now? Buy,
No, I'm
right?
waiting for it to come back to this 50,
Ah, okay.
right? So
50 MA, isn't it? Huh?
SMA, yeah. So let's see if
SMA, okay,
gotta
SMA
read.
50, yeah.
Yeah.
So
See if it
you look at SMA 58 and 20?
8 and 50.
8 and 50. Okay, okay,
Yeah.
perfect. Yeah.
Oh,
No,
wait. Guys, if you don't feel confident in this trade, or you're not like ready to get a loss trade, do not take it. I'm just sharing what I take here. So
yeah, it's a little risky trade, it looks like. Yeah.
it's not risky, but this is what I see in the market right now, and
Mm.
right, and I already have the plan for the exit, and see what happens. This is
Yeah,
the weekly zone where to.
if it close below the 50, yes, then you will
Yeah,
close the trade, will it? Yeah.
yes,
Hourly, on the hourly, right?
yes. It's also the 3 hour candle close in the 20 minutes, so we should not close back down here. So let's
Okay.
see. Let it push a little bit further. This is a weekly where it's priced right now, but I believe it's gonna push further down a little bit more. There's a 3 hour 8 moving average here, so it may come back to this one too, but let's see. It's rejecting already. Come on. I think the 5 minute opened. Oh, Alright, I'm in. Be careful, guys. If you don't want to take it, do not take it. But I'm in on this trade.
Your weekly resistance is marked at 1822 or what number?
Weekly, it's 1824,
24.
405.
Yeah, 24. Okay.
Let's see, 1824,
400.
1824, 23. Okay.
It's come to a key level, huh?
1824, 1824, 23.
40.
That's, yeah. So now we got to be ready for if something goes against, right? Should not close below the 50, and if it starts to push randomly down, I'm gonna cut it a bit, probably 10 pips or something. Let's see. We have that 8 moving average here. It may wants to come back to this 2, but hopefully not, because if we start to see if we secure 10 pips at least, and then see if we keep pushing. Come on, come back to that 8 in the 5 minutes.
Yeah.
I muted you for now, but feel free if you want to talk. $15 just opened. Give me that 10 pips. Come on. 5 minutes, it may come back to this 8. is this? 8 pips. All right, I'm gonna secure here. Secured 85%, but I probably it's 9 pips, right? Almost 10 pips, 9.5. Let's see if we keep pushing now. Next, there you go. You guys secure profit. If you got 9 pips, 9.5, 10 pips, secure, and put your stop at B. So when the price is in between 8 and 50, it ranges in between them, so we may come back to that 50 here to retest it, but we had another 8 on the 2-hour here, which is a problem unless this 2-hour close back above it. Here you go, 10 pips. Here you go, 10 pips. Najim using smooth simple math. For the 50, I use simple moving average by stocks on box, and the 8 is the bottom one, smooth moving average. Take a screenshot of them and then find them. I will give you the settings.
Thank you, Najim. Done.
No problem, Adrian. See. So we made that double top on the 5 minute, which is a good thing. Let's see if we keep going. Did anyone got this trade? Linda, I think she probably got this trade. Sam, Tariq, Isaac, win. Awesome, guys. Tariq, Rahil, I missed this. Where you been, Rahil? Still in this. Awesome. Just leave a runner. Put your stop at B, right? Linda also. There you go. Oh, awesome, awesome. No drawdown. Like there is no drawdown at all, which is a good thing. 10 pips secured. Stop at B. Awesome. Guys, you're doing great. How can we join your Zoom, please? My Zoom is free for now. I'm gonna send you guys for the link as 20. Let me secure another. 10 pips here, and then we send you guys the Zoom link. You are close. All right, secured at 20 pips. Are you doing to trade on news today? What time? New York session probably will be asleep, so probably not, because it's a lot to stay all the way down to New York. It is 1 hour close to, so nice rejection. Yeah, so this 3 hour candle also is about to close, and we want it to close back above here, and the next 3 hour is probably coming back down again, fill this week, and then make that top bottom week again, and then push. But hopefully we're not coming back down here again. So let's see if we keep pushing. But now we have this 8 in the 2 hour time frame, which is a rejection there, right? That's why we need to close back above, otherwise it's gonna come back down. Just secure. We already 20 pips up. Should guys put stop at B at this point, and just let it go. If it stops you at B, that's it. If it keeps going, that's good. Secure. I secure every 10 pips, right? So I'm from Kenya, Africa. So much love. Oh, Kenya, we appreciate Najim. Let me send you guys the Zoom link. But stay on YouTube too, also, so people can come in. I'm streaming on YouTube also, guys. So I'm talking. 30-minute may flip bullish. Yeah, it has no bottom week. It may come back to this 50 here. There you go. Second 30 pips. Let's see if we get that. Let's go. Awesome. Me too. When it comes down, can I enter? Yeah, that would be another entry, right? As soon as we don't close back below this zone, as I was mentioned, we're good to go up, because we see that previous daily closing back above the high time frame. When the price does this, we're looking only for buys unless we come back close. Also, the moving average is showing buys, so stick to buys. So, like I said, when it's between 8 and the 50, it starts to range in between them until we break above or below down, right? So that's what it does when price is in between. Let me show you another example here. So this is what it does. Like in the 2 hour time frame, you see that 2 hour candle closed back below the 50, and next one rejected that 50, came back all the way down to the 8, now rejected and pushed up. I finally closed above. Let's go. That was a perfect entry. Thank you, Najim. Stress-free trade. Awesome, guys. Nice. I'm just holding my runner now.
Hey Najim,
Hey, Ricardo.
how you going?
Is that who is this? Is it
Yeah,
Ricardo?
Ricardo. It's
Ricardo,
Ricardo.
how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, good.
Nice trade.
Thank you, thank you. Did you got it?
No, I wasn't watching. I was looking at US 30. Just waiting
Oh,
for an entry. I missed my earlier entry because I wasn't on the charts.
so
But now,
what do you think about US theory?
well, it's bullish. It's going to stay bullish until it turns bearish.
Yeah.
But this looks like. I mean, it could be just a retrace. It's going to go back to those highs for sure.
This is what I think is going to do. It's going to come back down here and then push up
Yeah,
again.
exactly. I'm looking for a short here.
Yeah.
It moves quite well in London Open. It's in an hour's time.
Mm-hmm.
So, but I usually trade it. I'm in Australia, right?
Yeah, yeah.
I usually trade the US 30 about 3 hours before market close. So that's in the morning for me, but it's in
Okay.
the afternoon. And if you look at the way it moves, it always makes big moves 2 to 3 hours before the close of the market. It'll move 100, 140 pips, 80 pips.
What time it does
Very,
it close? 5, like gold?
yeah, it closes same 5 and then opens an hour later. But for
Mm.
me, it's around 5 o'clock in the morning. It's perfect for me. It's perfect
Okay.
time. Yeah, I'm fresh. It's morning,
Yeah.
and and it always makes a nice, sort of. It'll make a nice support, and then on a 5-minute chart, it'll make a nice, W move.
Mm-hmm.
It's pretty good like that.
So you have been trading by yourself. I didn't see you for very long now.
Yeah. I shouldn't be talking to you now because I just missed that entry. Oh, I missed that. I just
Yeah,
missed it.
it's a 3 hour candle close. It may push a little bit to this 8 moving average on the 3 hour time frame, right? Because that's what it does. I was just talking about that. Once we close back down here, it just ranging between 8 and the 50 here.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
it may push a little bit further to this 8 and then come back down here again.
yeah, possibly. Yeah. I'm looking at the 4 hour. It's pulling back off its 4 hour. I don't use TradingView. I just stay on MT4.
Okay.
Yeah, I found that I don't really need Trading View. I just like to have the one screen and just look at that. I've streamlined everything.
I can't
go on?
I can't trade in the MT4. It's very complicated. I don't know. I'm not used to it.
Yeah, I'm used to it. I find it the same.
Yeah.
It's exactly the same to me because you can stretch it. And I have two charts. Like I'll have one which I'll use for 5 minute, 15, 30, 1 hour, and then I have a chart next to it that's 4 hour daily.
Oh,
I can
okay.
switch between those. Yeah.
So this 3 hour, it may come back again. Like I said, right? It may come back to the entry, but I hope not. I hope we're gonna reject this monthly here and push up. It has no top wick yet.
Are you still doing the group with Sasha?
No, I'm not anymore. I got out of there. So now I'm just here for the group I had before.
Yeah. Is she
But
doing it?
yeah, she's doing it.
Yeah.
So I'm starting my other group. Not yet, but soon.
Hmm.
Yeah. Let's see. Let me do a story for Instagram. Alright, we are live and we secured about 25 pips. Everyone secured profit here. Why is my camera looking like that? It's not looking good. Let me do it again. Yes, coming to that 3 hour 8 moving average. It's also the 2 hour 50. Let me see GJ actually. What's GJ doing here? GJ is not doing anything. Yeah, GG's not. It's just to going sideways. I'm not touching it.
Ada?
I've just got a target of 36,274. See if it makes it.
Oh, for US theory.
Yeah.
You got at the break of this 1 hour, or? Yeah. I think you're good. Yeah, I think it's gonna push a little bit further and then turn down. It's also the daily has no top wick yet, so
It's about to make a top wick.
yeah. Yeah.
If it's easy to get an impulse move. So if it breaks out of the range, it continues.
Mm.
It doesn't. It's not very. It doesn't do a lot of fake outs. It goes in a direction.
It's trending, so that's a good thing. It has been
Yeah.
trending forever,
A lot.
which
It's
is a
been
good
trending since 2009.
Wow. Yeah.
If you go back to March 2009, it's been going up steadily. If you look at a monthly.
Trending, so that's yeah. Wow, it's crazy.
See the big drop there. That was the pandemic, but that was only just a few days.
From here, it was trending from here.
March 2009, yeah.
Wow, it's crazy, man. Imagine you holding all this.
But you can't know. You think because this is a bull market, should have finished a long time ago.
Yeah. Every time it goes high, you said, okay, this is it.
That's it. Yeah.
But like that's why I keep the road every time it close above the high time frame for me. It's a like continuation.
Yeah.
That's why I stick to that.
Yeah.
Came back to that 30, yeah, the 8 moving average. Now we may come back down from here.
Yeah, I've got it right because that's also the gap of the open. There's still a little that closes the gap at the open.
It's also it's also the 8 on the 4 hour.
Yeah. Yeah, your 4 hours different to my 4 hour.
Yeah, you're using a different different broker, right?
Yeah, I'm just using MT4, the IC markets.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't know why they're different. They shouldn't be different, but they just are.
Yeah,
Should be
that's
the same.
weird. I use the Wanda because it has no gaps, so I don't like gaps. So, and
Yeah.
also it shows you clean support and resistance.
Yeah. And now there'll be a pretty good move in London in about 50 minutes. But then an hour after London Open, it has some pretty good moves as well.
Yeah, London Open, yeah. Let's see. Everyone has a stop at B, right? We secured almost, like, went up 30 pips almost, so that's all you need. Don't need anything else than that.
Yeah, you can take the rest of the day off.
Yeah, man. 30 pips, that's it. Come tomorrow, do the same again. Waiting to enter. Just so this 1 hour is still it's a new for speaking of, it's a new for a 1 hour. Also 3 hour candle has no top wick, right? At this point, if you start breaking straight down, you should be like either close in like 10 or whatever, or just give it the whole stop loss. I do when you see it close, like breaking hard, something like this, I just cut it, right? But if it was about to close about like 10-15 minutes, it may close just below this zone here, and that's your decision to close the trade. Let me see which is the next level here. We do have this zone. That's very nothing.
It just hit my target on US 30.
Awesome.
Broken above.
It keep going, huh?
It's going to keep going now. It's going to go to at least 36313.
36313.
That's what I think. We'll see. But it's broken out above that 74 level.
Let me see. I think it's time to come down here now. It's coming back down over here. You secured, right?
Yeah, 74.
It's coming in the 5 minute over here. C15. Sir, can we always be on your Zoom? Yes, you can. For now, it's are you in my Telegram group? Frederick, I think he came from YouTube. Let me see. Yeah, this is my Telegram group. Let me send the. So you can. This is where I send my Zoom link. I'm gonna send it over here. So that's what I said earlier here. It's ranging in between this 50 and 8, right? Okay, that's my my Telegram group here. Siri keeps going, huh? Wow. Yeah, no problem, Frederick. Frederick. Who will always be in the gulag? That's good. Are you in the Slack in Market Fluidity, Frederick, with Raja? Okay. I sent the Zoom there too. I am too, Isaac. I sent the link over there too for this stream for in London session.
Actually, my 4 hours on are the same as TradingView. I just checked.
Yeah.
My chart is the same. Yeah.
You using Wanda?
No, I use IC Markets.
Oh, okay.
On MT4.
No, in
So it's
trading view.
a trading view I use OND, yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's what I used to.
There it goes. See, they're going to hit 36315.
It's flying, huh?
Yep. It's a flyer, the US 30.
Guys, for those who are not in my YouTube, subscribed. Do me a favor and subscribe for my YouTube channel here. Let me see, 5 minute. Yeah, it's having hard time to keep going down here, right? Keeps making that same level on the 5 minute. But I want to see the 5 minute moving averages start to change for buys over here, right? And then let's see GJ. What's GJ doing? What GJ is coming up. GJ, I'm gonna give it time. I'm gonna wait for a close back above here. Because it's ranging in the daily here. Yeah. Just gonna let it go for now. Thanks, Najim, for link you have sent. We always follow you. David, no problem. You're welcome. It's even respecting the day, the monthly here. As you can see, guys, this two candles here keeps respecting the monthly after closing above. Also, those two, so that's a good sign there. If later the 4-hour close back down here, then we may see some sells coming. But as soon as we are above this zone here, we're gonna be looking for buys. See if we got that push on London. See if London got any push. Come on, break it up. $7 it's about to close. Be careful, guys. If you had stop at B, should be done. That's what's happening now, but just be careful because I don't like when it does that push straight down very quick. I don't like that. But if did you got any entry here? Because you were waiting to come back down. Linda, you already secured profits. Rahil, he missed it the first time, so he's giving it a chance now. If anyone got secure profit at first and get stopped at B here, that's fine, right? You secured your profit, that's all you need. Because if you secured profit and then you come back to your drawdown, you don't want to give that profit back, you know? So I secured 85%, right? And even if it comes back to down in the drawdown, I will be still in profit. But for consistency, just secure profit 10, 15 pips. If it keeps going in your direction, secure every 10 pips, but stop at B always. And if it comes back, stops you at B, just let it come back tomorrow and do it again. And Rahil, be careful. Careful, be careful. Mm-mm-mm. I would wait for the 4-hour close, and then if it 4-hour close back down here, we're gonna be looking for sales. because it's a weekly zone, so 4 hours is good. It's a good confirmation. Okay, Linda, no problem. Take care. Have a good day. See you tomorrow again. Okay, Linda, no problem. Thank you, thank you. One hour is closing in about 18 minutes, and it's also the 2 hour candle. It may stop this buyers here, and now it's gonna keep going up.
Hi, Najim.
Hello.
You have any runner?
Yes, I do.
Or you want to add more?
No, I'm not entering more. I'm just waiting for this 1 hour. It's also 2 hour candle close and see how it close.
Okay, okay.
If it does
Thank you.
close back down here, I will just close it. Yeah. 10 minutes for London Open. 3 minutes. Okay, 2 minutes. Next 2 hour, it's gonna come back, retest this zone, and if he wants to come back down, that's what it's gonna do. But we still have that 3 hour, which is still respecting that. Wow, that's crazy. Yeah, if this 1 hour close back above the 50, let's see. So the 2 hour is closing back down, but it's respecting the 50 now. Anyways, I'm gonna close once and see how this 1 hour close. Respecting that. Come on. Okay. Alright, I closed my trade, right? I closed it. Closed my runner. And yeah, I'm done for now. Secured about 20 pips. Closed my runner up, almost break even. And that's it. 2 hour close back down here. There is not a strong confirmation for sales yet. I would wait. I'll probably wait for the 4 hour, because the 4 hour close back down here, that's a good confirmation. That would be a 3 hour also closing back down here. So we're gonna wait. Oh, GG is coming up. 3 hour, 2 hour. Let me see what's going on in GG here. Yeah, I don't like GG there. GG may buys coming, but there is not a confirmation for it yet. So stay out. Okay. Look at gold. Don't trust it. Just be careful. 2 hour here, closed back down here. Right. Right. I'm gonna end this. I'm gonna end the YouTube stream here.